Hello, everyone. Today, we have exciting news from the West African Examinations Council, WAEC, about a new educational initiative called WAEC Connect. WAEC, in collaboration with Vertebra, has launched WAEC Connect, a specialized educational social media platform designed for candidates. This platform is tailored for learning, information sharing, collaborations, and much more. So, how can you join this educational revolution? It's simple. Step 1. Visit waeconnect.com. Step 2. Click on Register to create your account. Step 3. Enter your year of examination, select your examination month, May, June or November, DEC, and input your registration number. Finally, click Continue to complete the registration process. Already registered? Here's how you can log in to your WAEC Connect account. Step 1. Visit waeconnect.com. Step 2. Enter your email address and password. Step 3. Click on Login to access your account. WAEC Connect is more than just a social media platform. It's a free e-learning and computer-based testing (CBT) app for students and teachers. You can access thousands of lessons, online exams for WAEC, NICO, JAM, and NABTEB, and much more, all for free. Best of all, WAEC Connect is completely free to use. There are no subscription fees, no registration fees, nothing that restricts you from accessing valuable educational content anytime, anywhere. Here are some key benefits of WAEC Connect. It's free to use anytime and anywhere, integrates social learning, provides unlimited access to learning materials and past questions, reduces learning and development time, keeps teachers and students up to date, and much more. Join the WAEC Connect community today and revolutionize your learning experience. Visit waeconnect.com and unlock a world of educational opportunities. Thank you for watching. Until next time, happy learning!